Hey viewers, welcome back. As I promised in my last video, I am here to share another set of sensory activities with balloons. If you are not aware of what sensory play or activities are, please click on the I button on your screen to know more. But before we start, please take a moment to subscribe if you haven't yet. Balloons are loved by almost every kid on this planet. They hold a special place when it comes to celebrations. And these are also perfect for tactile sensations. Tactile means sense of touch. I made these stress balls by using regular household items as fillers. Fill balloons with things of your choice. I used macaroni, rajma, salt and pulses. These are fun to play with and allow for trying out new textures within the safety of balloon shell. I have used balloons of single color deliberately as the aim is not to distract the kids visually. They focus entirely on the tactile sense without distraction from other senses. Twisting, pressing strengthens little muscles of hands and enhances observation skills. I used water balloons as fillers. Kids enjoy playing with water balloons of two colors, white and pink this time. Through tactile exploration, children experience the environment and gather information about surroundings. When they feel or touch something, they gather multiple informative clues about the object. This one is also fun. Casually put the balloons into a large bin, basket or box or a ball pool like this. Kids grab, hold and walk around with balloons. This was actually an impromptu activity. Both of them enjoyed sitting inside the pool full of balloons, and surprisingly they were discussing about balloon colors. Not fighting this time. So thanks viewers, I'll be back with another set of sensory activities for your kids. Stay safe and stay connected. Bye bye. Have a nice day.